history of sweater. Sweater have a significant history in Bangladesh, especially the country where the winter season they used it, and this industry provide the employment opportunities and contribute the economy. The sweater manufacturing industry in Bangladesh began in early 1980s and developed into a major export-oriented sector. The production of sweater in Bangladesh initially started with hand-knitted items, but now maximum sweaters industry use the computerized machine for better fashion and also the productivity. Overall, sweaters hold a significant place in Bangladesh textile garments industry, contributing country's reputation and major export knitwear products. Contribution in national economy, according to the export